Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful red hearts with beads. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to write the comments and share my videos. Let's take a look at the back side. And this is front. You can use it as a bracelet, necklace. For example, I have made exact cord, but of another color of yarn. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook, beads. Begin the work by making a chain. Then chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. At this point I join a bead. For this, take a bead, put it on the hook, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first chain stitch, take the working yarn, pull it through the chain stitch and pull through the bead. And pull through 2 loops. I do not finish this stitch. It is the double crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, twice 1 and 2. We have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. It is the base for my heart. Continue working, chain 2, work with treble crochet. Now I'm going to work with strings. Now make 6 strings into this stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into this stitch and pull up a loop to the level of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. Yarn over the hook and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 2 loops on the hook. The first side of the heart is ready. Let's begin the second side. For this I turn the work like this. I remove the hook. Now insert the hook from the second side. Make 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Turn the work. The heart segment is ready. Here how it looks. This is the front side. Then make a chain, pull a little bit. The segment is ready. Let's look at the back side, and it is front. Now I show you how continue my cord. I'm going to work with base for the next segment. Let's repeat the base. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop and pull through the bead and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. We have 3 loops on the hook and pull through. The base for the next segment is ready. You should continue working on this segment by yourself. As you can see, I have done 3 segments. I remind you, this beautiful cord you can use as an embellishment or decoration for your clothes, like a belt. Also, one segment of this cord can be used for earring project or brooch. I have made exact cord, but of another kind of yarn. This cord consists of 5 segments. All segments in this cord was made in the same way as I showed you in this video tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't miss new video tutorials.